Huddle01. Video calls without the drama.
So Huddle is exactly like what Zoom is on the app side, which is a Web3 native Zoom, where essentially you can do all the things you can do on Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams. But the catch is that we use crypto primitives.
Wagwan boys, I'm pretty sure you know that we are all tired of choppy video calls and dropped connections. We've all been there. But today, let's talk about the Web3 side of things. Huddle01, a new way to connect that's smoother, faster, and even saves you money. Yes, you heard that right. If you're thinking of where or how the name works, then I have your evidence right here.
Why does the name Huddle01 or Huddle01 is 01 or 1? How do you guys call it properly?
This name has come into picture because right now what we are doing is basically huddling. In a playground, we huddle together. But if you do that in a digital world while communicating, it's happening in a digital environment, and digital is made of zeros and ones. That's why Huddle01.
Nice.
So that's how the name came into picture. And yeah, it's been live for the last 3.5 years.
The struggle is real. Here is why video calls can be frustrating many a times. It's easy because video calls are crucial these days. Who hasn't really dealt with stuff like lags, pixelated faces, or even getting cut off mid-sentence, right? Guess the main culprit of all these things. It's basically centralized servers. These are like busy highways for your calls, and during the rush hour, I'm talking peak video call time. Everything slows down, which is very frustrating. But alas, Huddle01 to the rescue. So what's the thing with it? Huddle01 is kind of building a unique network that uses the power of the people instead of relying on one overloaded server. Huddle01 taps into unused bandwidth from devices around the world. I'll get into that in a second. You can think of it like borrowing a little extra internet space from your computer when it's not in use. By joining forces like this, we can distribute a network which is even much more smooth and reliable and can cater for everyone while we are all online. Now I know what comes to mind. How is this even possible? That's a great thought, and I have your answer. The secret wonder is DePIN. So DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. Basically, it's a fancy way of saying we're using readily available resources like your unused internet space to build a stronger communication network. It sort of like benefits everyone. You know, you win, I win, we all win. This easily makes Huddle01 a win-win situation for everyone. To be more precise, for you, goodbye to lags, ultra clear video calls, plus save a ton of money. While for people like node operators, which are basically just people who share their bandwidth, they can earn certain rewards by sharing their unused internet space with the network. It's kind of like getting paid to help others. It can never fully be completed as a Web3 thing without tokens, right? Now, let me tell you something about Huddle01's token itself. Huddle01 uses its own token called HUDL and is the powerhouse of this project. Users can use HUDL for extra features within the app. And on the dev side of things, Huddle01 isn't just one kind of cool concept. I'm talking about things that have already been in play and they work quite well. Huddle01 lets you make smooth and reliable video calls. Already, there are over 3 million meeting minutes and 35,000 users are enjoying the benefits from the stats. Speaking of SDKs, if you're looking for a new way to add video calls to your own app, Huddle01 Software Developer Kit is a powerful solution for devs. This is insane because there's even about 1,000 devs eagerly waiting for this beauty. Now it's over to you. Here's how you can enjoy Huddle01 yourself. It's pretty easy. Just head over to their website to get started, or if you want to have it on the go in your pocket, you can download the Huddle01 mobile app for iOS or Android right now. So ditch that damn lag today and start using Huddle01. As for me, I already have it on my phone. I ain't waiting for you, fam. See you in my next video, where I will sort of be explaining the use cases and why Huddle01 trumps the competition in the Web2 space. Peace out. See you in my next video.